Hi everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Emily, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. As you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. FYI, it is a replica. If you want any information, go in the description. I've done videos with this woman in the past. Instagram is qxluxury_Shirley. She's based in China and she sells replica items. Yeah, and they're just amazing quality. I've had a few from her before. But yeah, I'm just going to unbox the item on camera. So it's like come all wrapped up and whatever. And I'm going to open it for you guys. I have actually already opened it. Just because Mum wanted to see what it was. So I did open it downstairs before. But I've not like looked at it properly, like taken any of the things off. I just re-tied it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, when you take the ribbon off, so I can put it on there. Right, so taking the ribbon off the box. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this bag. She sent it 2 weeks ago on one day coming up, and I've been waiting ever since. So it does actually have the magnetic system, whatever you want to call it. This is what it looks like inside, and then it's got a tissue paper. You do have like a shopping bag type thing, if you know what I mean. I'm getting a bit hot in here right now. Woo! I cannot wait to start using this bag. And then you take the tissue paper out. I'm so excited. To me, like, I'm not the type of person to buy real things. Like, I've got a few real things, like Michael Kors bag, but that's because Lewis bought it me. I really want the Marc Jacobs snapshot bag, but can I justify paying £300? But then I say that and then I go and spend £300 on clothing. So it's like, do you know what I mean? But yeah, it comes, in fact, let me just put it back inside the dust bag. I'm too excited. Can you tell that I can't even get my words out? So yeah, this is the dust bag. Just flip it up. I'm so excited for this. Take it out and we have the bum bag. Oh my god. How beautiful is that? Oh my Christ. This is actually so buzzing over it. And it's obviously got all of the protective things all over the bag. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. So let me just take them off. Oh my goodness me. Oh my god, I've got it upside down, haven't I? What an idiot. There we go. I'm going to end up doing that all the time. I might have to like loosen that strap, to be fair, because it's not sitting nice on the shoulder. But yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton bum bag. It's just a little bit squashed just from shipping, so I don't have anything in it yet. But it's got the detail on there and on the zips too. And then it's got the other handle. Shall we take this one off as well? There we go. So yeah, and then that is the handle. Is it focusing? Yeah, that is the handle. And then you also have the back pocket, which when I've actually watched videos on this bag, it is quite spacious. What am I found in that? Oh my god. The iPhone 11 Pro Max fits in that little back pocket. How unreal is that, guys? So yeah, I have been watching a few little videos on these. Let me just extend this a tiny bit. The only thing is, because it's like that leather, I don't know if it's real leather or not. I honestly could not say. But because it's obviously been sent and it just comes as like a manufacturing level of the thing, you do get the ridges in the... Can you see that? Do you know what I mean? You can see it all against my neck. It's not like flat because it's been in the buckle. That's the only thing that winds me up about this bag, to be fair. because that's another thing that I've seen on somebody else's video. But then to get into it, people say to lift the flap, just because your zips get caught. Inside I do have the little booklet that they obviously send with the bag. I think it's like a care booklet, if you know what I mean. Shall we see? It literally gives you all the information. Sorry, my camera cut out on me because it got too hot. So yeah, I was talking about my bum bag that I got sent by Shirley, and I was showing you the inside, weren't I? And that is literally just the inside, and it's got the made in Paris. Is it say that? Made in France, sorry. Louis Vuitton Paris, should I say. But yeah, I'm gonna put some things in it. We'll see what fits. I've just got my everyday kind of things. I don't carry an awful lot of items with me. My car keys take up quite a big amount of space, but I'll hold it up so you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, my pill, and then I've got my purse, which is just a card holder because I just always use my card. I never use cash ever. However, I did get a bag from Zara not too long ago, and it did come with this little like clip-in pouch, which I do use as a bit of a coin cash purse, so I can actually use that in here. I'll just pop it in. To be honest, I'll probably just lie it flat because I don't ever use cash at all. And I just stack everything else on it, you know. Then I always carry a perfume just in case, because body sprays never, they just don't stay on, I don't think, anyway. But yeah, that's my perfume. Then I need a new one, don't mind this, it's ratty and horrible. I always carry my backcombing brush, usually because I wear my hair up quite a lot because it's too hot for one. I'm not a fan of it down anymore, I've just got over it, you know. I'm going through a phase where I shove it up 24/7. It happens all the time where I go through phases. Shove that in there. But yeah, I just leave that folded up. And then I've got my lip things, like my lip products. I don't know whether to be honest, I'll just chuck them in. Just chuck them in. But yeah, that is literally everything that I carry. And say if I'm going away anywhere, I'll take my AirPods so I can pop them in. But yeah, it is quite a heavy bag, to be fair. So that stuff in there, it's not an awful lot, it is quite heavy. As you can see, that's everything in there. Yeah, that's with everything in. Which is, I've not put an awful lot in, you can fit loads more in, there's so much space, but it is quite a heavy bag actually, which I didn't realise. And then I will just slide my phone into the back pocket, and that fits absolutely fine. And also I've got a key here, but I usually just carry my car keys because I'm always in my car. So yeah, I'll do some I'll show you how you can wear it and whatever. I'll just move the camera. Right, there we go. Right, okay. So yeah, you can just carry it, you know, or you can have it like that around your waist, is like how it's meant to be worn. But it is quite big. It's not too big, you could probably do that on holiday or something, do you know what I mean? But I will most likely wear it like this, crossbody, and just style it like that. I think the leather just needs to get a bit loose, do you know, so it's like comfy, because it is quite stiff at the minute. So the more I wear it, the more it'll get loose. But then it does have a little, I don't know if you can see, apparently it's to hook your scarves on, but what scarf is thin enough to go around that? Do you know what I mean? Bit stupid really, isn't it? But yeah, you can have it crossbody, you can have it the other way around your back and walk around like that, you know what I mean? But the main way that I would wear it is just literally like this. Or you can even just like chuck it on your shoulder like that and walk around with it like this, which I think that's probably an easy way, isn't it? My bra strap's falling down, but yeah, that's probably an easy way of wearing it. But yeah, I'm quite excited to start using this. Do you know? I can't even speak, I can't even get my words out, so I'm that excited. But it fits quite a lot of stuff in, and there's literally still so much more room. Right, so obviously, like you can see there's still so much room in there, to the point where you can put more stuff in if you need it. So like say if you're shopping and you buy a little something, you know, put some snacks in there like breakfast bar, chocolate bar, crisp. Yeah, that is just the bag. I'll link any of Shirley's information in the description, so if you are interested, then do go ahead and message her, follow her on Instagram. I'm not too sure on how much this is. I think it was $235. However, she did kindly send me this for free to do a video and post some pictures with it. So thank you to Shirley for this. I am so excited to use it, and it literally like, it smells like proper good, like proper good leather, you know. Whether or not it's real leather, I don't know, unless you've just like sprayed it with something, I don't know, but I'm not complaining. So I do have a bag from her, the multi-pochette, and it's still looking amazing, and I use it all the time too, so I can't wait to start using it. It's like I'm dying to just go out somewhere with it now and just be like, just like walk around with it everywhere. Like I'm actually dying to just go out with it. I must admit, it does look a bit bulky on the body. Do you know what I mean? But I suppose you just need to get used to it, because I'm used to having like a little bag, and this is much bigger than what I usually would wear. But yeah, if you are interested, then do give her a message and follow her on Instagram. I'll leave all of her information down below in the description. And that is $235. I'm not too sure if that includes shipping or not. I can't quite remember. I think it should do. I'm not too sure what that is in English money because I've not converted it. In fact, I'll do it now. $235 is £180. And then you just pay via PayPal, etc, etc. This took a week and a half. It's, what day is it now? Saturday. It was in the UK yesterday, however I had to pay customs fees, which was £20. And I think that's because she sent via Parcel Force, like EMS. And DHL, when she sent them, it's only been £4, so I don't know why there's such a big price difference. I'm not complaining, it's just, say if you are purchasing the bag yourself, it's still a lot of money to pay at the end. And obviously it is Saturday and I did just get it today, it arrived today, so I did pay £12 for Saturday delivery. Otherwise I would have had to wait till Monday, which I didn't really want to do. I wanted to get it done and dusted and out of the way so I can focus on editing videos. I've still not even uploaded videos that I was meant to upload last week. Just not done it because I've not had time, I've been busy. But you know, life gets in the way. I started a new job on Monday, so yeah, I've just been a bit tired because it's my first week back in work properly. But yeah, that is the Louis Vuitton bum bag. Like I said, if you are interested, do check out the description box below. And if you want to see how I style it, I'll leave my Instagram below as well. So yeah. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see from my channel. This set, also, if anybody asks, is Nike. I got mine on the Nike website. It is, I don't know if it's still available. I've seen it floating around a bit on ASOS and stuff, but just comfy wear because I'm not doing anything today. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all again in another video. Bye!